Hello, in this video let's talk about Basecamp as your potential project management tool in 2023. So Basecamp is quite an established software, well known, and it positions itself not just a project management tool but a tool of communication between your team. So you may get a lot of extra features to what you can do actually when you um, work on your project. So let's take a look. When you're on your front page, you can see the section where you can create projects inside Basecamp. And project is a central element of its structure. But if you take a look at this top bar, you can see some additional tabs, for example, lineup tab, which can let you plan the start and end of your projects, and you can easily keep track of your progress. They have pings and hey tabs, which show you recent information about what is going on in your team. Through pings, you can contact team without using extra communication tool, and there is an activity and my staff tabs as well. Which also help you to find the stuff you're assigned to. As I said before, in the middle there is a section where you can create a new project, either a blank or from a template. And inside that project you have different project tools. Again, Campfire and Message Board are more for communication. You can post recent updates, big announcements, and communicate with your team instead of going to Slack or using any other messengers. So Basecamp really tries to make you stay in their tool and manage all work process here. Then you have To-Dos tool, which let you create a set of tasks which you can split by a list and then also additional split by a team group. So every task can have its start and due date. You can assign it to somebody, and that's actually what other project management tools call tasks. So if we go back, we can also see card table, which is an analog to a Kanban board from Trello. But I think this card table has a very big disadvantage. When I click to create a card, I can create a card from scratch, but I cannot create a card from my to-do list. So I think it's very inconvenient when I already have a list of tasks under my to-dos and then I have card table where I basically create separate tasks, and I find it very unhandy. There is a schedule page where you can see the stuff people are assigned to in the project, and there are some other additional minor tools like check-ins, email forwards, and docs and files for additional information on this project. So I think that in general, Basecamp is a very robust system which thrives not just let you manage your projects but also communicate with your team inside a project and across the company, so you don't have to use extra tools. I think Basecamp did a pretty good job in this direction. The only thing they really miss, in my understanding, is the option to track time. If, for example, I sell my hours or would like to keep a strict deadline, I need to track time on my project tasks, and that's why I also offer to use third-party tool called Everhour. This is a great software which allows you to connect Basecamp and install browser extension to see time tracking controls right inside your to-do list. So I have a list of tasks and I can click on a timer to start tracking my hours, or I can go inside this tool and add my time manually for today and for any other date, as well as edit the time that was previously entered. Also, there is a very handy feature of making budgets and billings of my project, where I can set a rate on a project and then track the progress of my budget, as well as reset it on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. So I then see progress every time I open my project. And I think that's a great supplement to the Basecamp environment. If you'd like to see robust reports, you will need to go to Everhour, but also Everhour is powerful in adding this timesheet button under all Basecamp tabs, where you can see the list of tasks where you can report your hours. So you can resume time tracking from here or add new tasks, as well as bookmark previous tasks to always find them. So if we now go into the Everhour reporting section, we can create a report that syncs exact titles of your projects, lists, and tasks. And it's very easy to make a report, a detailed report, and see what time was spent exactly. And you don't have to somehow replicate the structure of your Basecamp projects. You don't have to type titles again. You can see them all at once in this report, which can be downloaded or sent to somebody by email. So I think Everhour is a great supplement to Basecamp structure. And in general, I find Basecamp very handy tool, especially for a team who strives to be just in one tool and not using too many tools in their work. So if you like this video, please give it a like as well, and please subscribe to our channel not to miss other videos. Take care, bye.